Alright, hello students. In this video we're going to be working with the partition formula, and try to remember that this is the part that we're going to use to find x, and this is the part that we're going to use to find y. We're looking for point P, and point P is a coordinate point, so it has an x and a y value. So it says determine the point P that partitions a directed line segment AB. So we know the segment starts at A and ends at B into a ratio of 3:1. So then this is little a and 1 is little b. And yes, that also means that a plus b is going to be 4. This is A. Since A is the first point, this will be your x1 and that's your y1. This is x2 and that's your y2. We start at A and we end at B. And then we go ahead and we use the formula. So I'm actually going to write the formula, but you know, the next few examples I probably won't be writing it, only because this is the first one. X2 minus x1. Alright, so to find the x value, we have to start at x1, which is 1. And then we have to build the fraction that we're interested in. So a is 3, a plus b is 4, so it's going to be 3/4. Times x2 minus x1. Should get a little highlighter here. x2 minus x1. So 9 minus 1. If you put this in the calculator, 9 minus 1, 8 divided by 4, 2 times 3, 6 plus 1, 7. And we can do the same thing for y. But first I'm going to write the formula. So just give me a sec. Like I said, in future examples, I won't be writing the formula, so you might want to write it down so you can have it as reference. All right, we're going to start with y1, so in this case is -5, plus a over a plus b. A is 3, a plus b is 4. So as you can see, the ratio stays the same, 3/4, 3/4. This time we're going to do the rise, the difference between the y's, y2 minus y1, and y1 is a negative, so it's going to be -1 minus a -5. Calculating this is -1 plus 5, which gives me a 4, times is 3, -2. Put it in a calculator if you don't believe me. So point P happens at 7, -2. One more example in this video. This one says that the endpoints of A, B, so it starts at A and it ends at B. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. And determine the coordinates of P such that the ratio is 2:3. So this is little a and that's little b. And a plus b is going to be 2 plus 3, which is 5. Okay, so to find x, we have to start at x1, which is -6. Plus a, little a, which is 2, a plus b, which is 5, times x2 minus x1. So here's x2, and here's x1. That's 4 minus a -6. This is 4 plus 6, 10 divided by 5, 4, -2. Okay, now the y, we're going to start at y1, which is -5, plus the ratio, which is 2/5, times y2. Should I highlight it since I'm already going with the highlights? 0 minus a -5. It's 5, 5, 2, I'm getting -3. So point P happens at -2, -3.